Hello everyone and welcome to another edition of the Drug and Alcohol Attorneys video newsletter. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year. Hopefully 2021 is a great year for everybody. Second of all, I want to thank a client of mine. He's a dad. His initials are JG. I'm sure he's going to listen to this video. And I want to thank him for allowing me to try and help him this past week. Right before New Year's, we lost his daughter. She was in treatment on and off for the past at least a year, perhaps a little longer. We filed multiple Marchman Acts, and unfortunately she overdosed and passed. And that really does lead me on to the topic of today's conversation, which is, can I give you a guarantee? And I get lots of families that call me and they say, well, before we spend the money, we want a guarantee. First of all, I'm ethically prohibited by the Florida bar from giving anybody a guarantee. Second of all, they don't have a crystal ball. And I will tell you that in 2020 we lost 3 people. All 3 were women. I'm not sure if that's a coincidence, but it's just the way it was. Two young ladies, late 20s, early 30s, and one was a lady my age, middle-aged, that I represented in a Marchman Act case. So this is the nature of what I do, what this law firm does. So when a family calls me and says, can I give you a guarantee? The answer is no. I can't give you a guarantee. I wish I could. I wish I had a magic wand or a magic pill. I don't have either of those things. What I do have is the resources to begin the process for you. So as I've mentioned in previous videos, substance use, mental illness typically only get worse with time. And if you don't get somebody into treatment, they typically end up either in prison or they end up dead. That's the nature of the beast. That's what we deal with here. And so in order to get on that path of recovery, in order to even experience the miracle of recovery, the first step is to get somebody into treatment. And that's what I do. I initiate the process. And the goal is obviously to keep somebody in recovery for at least a year, because we just know from experience, if you can keep somebody in recovery for a year, they're more likely not to stay in recovery. Less than a year, they're more likely not to relapse. Of course, again, nothing's set in stone. Certainly nothing's guaranteed. So I'm here. I'm the catalyst for this, okay? This is the very beginning. When you call me or you speak to Audra about a guardianship, this is the beginning of the process, okay? This is the beginning of the road to healing, not just for your loved one, but for the family, okay? And I understand it's a family disease. I understand that when a family calls me, they're sick and tired of being sick and tired. They're sick and tired of the multiple trips to the emergency room. They're sick and tired of spending money on treatment. I get it, okay? But this is the beginning of the process, not the end, okay? So I don't give you a guarantee, okay? What I do give you is hope, okay? And I hope that you'll trust us to begin the process for you. Anyway, with that said, thank you very much. Again, Happy New Year. Hopefully 2021 is a great year for you. And we look forward to helping more people this year than we did last year. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.